Right, so I picked up a new border spade, and you'd think, yeah, that'll be fine to use straight out of the box. You'd be absolutely wrong. If you look at this edge, if I can show it, look at the state of that. There's no edge on that whatsoever. It's just a blunt. Just get me tape measure out and measure it. So almost 2 mil of a blunt squared off edge on the end. Pretty much 2 mil. So that is not going to dig very well at all, especially if you've got hard ground, clay soil, stuff like that. That is awful. Now, to those people that say the manufacturers design it like that, you have no idea what you're talking about. It seems that with all these types of edges, the tolerances are getting worse and worse. Companies don't want to get sued in case somebody cuts their finger or stuff like that. So they leave them like that. So yeah, we need to give this a quick sharpen. Use whatever you want. I'm just going to use an angle grinder, flappy sanding disc. We're going to buzz the inside edge. And again, angle wise, doesn't really matter too much. You don't want it too shallow. Don't have it too steep either. Don't know what the proper angle would be. Probably similar to a lawnmower blade, maybe 30 degrees, something like that. So yeah, if you've never dug with a sharp spade, I 100% recommend giving your spade a sharpen. Even old spades as well need sharpening every now and then. We're still a ways away. So there we go. A lot nicer edge on that now. Don't need to make it a razor sharp edge. It'll only blunt quicker. But yeah, you do need a very narrow tip to be able to penetrate the soil easily. So yeah, with digging spades, I'd always recommend sharpening the inside edge. So yeah, just a quick tip there. Trust me, 100% worth doing. So leave me a like if you found that helpful. Any questions, let me know. Thanks for watching.